Hey there, adventure seekers. Get ready to elevate your playtime with the Jungle Gym Kingdom Rock Climbing Holds for Kids, the ultimate indoor and outdoor rock wall climbing kit that comes complete with mounting hardware, a knotted rope, and 25 vibrant handles. This kit is a breeze to install, arriving with an easy-to-follow instruction guide, nuts, bolts, and washers, making setup a snap. With 25 assorted rock climbing wall handles in 3 unique shapes and 5 exciting colors like blue, green, red, yellow, and orange, your little ones will be captivated by the cool grips. Crafted from high-caliber, durable plastic, these rock wall holds are designed to withstand outdoor weather conditions and provide endless fun indoors. Plus, the kit includes an 8-foot-long kids climbing rope, perfect for adding to any indoor climbing wall, obstacle course, or treehouse to ramp up playtime excitement. Whether you're looking to encourage fun indoor and outdoor play or promote movement, this set is sure to have any kid climbing with joy. So, why wait? Transform your space into an adventure playground with the Jungle Gym Kingdom Rock Climbing Holds today.